Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. In today's video, we've got some exciting news happening from Doyoueven. So today we will be doing the first impression, the try on, and the review of two of their new launches. We have the Motion Seamless in here, which has already been launched, and we also have the Trinity Seamless in here, launching a new Colourways on the 27th of April 2021 at 12 p.m. I absolutely cannot wait to try these on, but before we do that, I do have a discount code for you guys as well, so make sure you use the discount code Jesscbee to save 10% off site-wide, and I also have a discount link as well that I will be leaving in the description down below along with the discount code. The discount link allows you to save 10% off site-wide, and it's automatically applied at checkout. As always, I will be linking everything that I've mentioned today in the description down below so you can grab your own, and I'll also be dropping my measurements down there as well so you can use it for reference. If you guys want to see the review of the items and also the try on, keep watching. We've got so many items to try on. So we're going to have a look at the Motion Seamless range first. I've got these two beautiful colours. So let's start with the mint green. This is the crop top. We got in a size extra small. Got a crossback strap design, removable padding inserts made of a ribbed material. It's super stretchy and I absolutely love this mint green color. It's also made of a antibacterial odorless fabric. Amazing. And then you've got the little logo across the middle. So now for the Motion Seamless shorts. These have the matching ribbed material along the waistband, down the side, and also under the booty. These are not too short, they're kind of bike short length. It's got a flexi compressive waistband, super stretchy, it's form fitting, and you've got the little logo on the front and down the side of the leg. Honestly, this color is to die for. I am so obsessed with this color. This fits like a glove and I didn't expect anything less from Doyoueven. I love it. It's so amazing. I love the color. Crop top fits perfectly. I love the neckline. It's not too low. It's super supportive with a thick waistband and it's just so comfortable to wear. As for the shorts, I'm so glad I went for a size small and I did size up because these just fit so nicely. They are so comfortable, they're not too tight. The waist fits amazing, it doesn't slide down, and I absolutely love the length of it. This whole set is super duper flattering and you'll definitely be turning heads wherever you go with this. These two are in the exact same style, also in the Motion Seamless range. This is in the color Sky Blue. Such a beautiful color as well. The crop top is exactly the same. We got in a size extra small, except the logo here is in a dark grey color rather than white. This just looks so comfy, super stretchy, removable padding, really soft material as well. I'm definitely obsessed with seamless sets. I think they're just so flattering. And then the matching bike shorts in this beautiful color as well. The shorts for both of them I actually got in a size small, which I think I forgot to mention earlier, but because apparently these are a little small makes, I'm interested to try it. I think this actually might be the right size for me, size small. Usually I do wear extra small for bottoms. This also has the high thick waistband, which has pretty much become a staple for me. Love it, exact same sizing and everything, and it's in the most beautiful sky blue. I absolutely love this color as well. The top is flattering, as you can see. It's supportive, it's comfortable. What more can I ask for? The shorts are just so amazing, just like the first ones. I just absolutely love this set. I've got nothing bad to say about it. I can't even stop smiling. I can't wait to wear these. Alrighty, so moving on to the Trinity Seamless collection. These are the ones that launch as new colorways on the 27th of April. These ones actually come in a 3-piece set, and we have the crop top, the leggings, and also the long sleeve top. Alright, so we're gonna have a look at the sky blue one first. This is the crop top, which is in a size extra small. All of these are made with a mixture of polyester and nylon. Material just feels so soft. This has a open back design for breathability and also your thick straps for support. Removable padding, ribbed supportive waistband, super elastic in a form-fitting material, and then you've got your logo on the top. The leggings, so smooth. It's got the thick waistband, high-waisted. It's compressive, it's thick, my favorite. And it's got subtle contouring texture underneath the booty. And this is the Trinity long sleeve. It's super cute. It's cropped length and it has latex along the waistband to reduce it from riding up while you're working out. This has no padding, but you can probably wear your sports bra underneath. It's got the thumb hole so you can slide your thumb through, as well as your rubber logo on the top left. It's super elastic as well. And we got this in a size extra small. Amazing, comfy, soft, flattering. The seamless Trinity blend definitely holds onto your body shape. The top is comfy, fits perfectly, and you can even mix and match these with the sky blue motionless sets that I just tried on. The color down the bottom is the exact same. For the leggings, I absolutely love the high waist. Compresses your stomach and just snatches your waist. The length is not too long, it's absolutely perfect, and it's super flattering on your booty as well. This set is just so unique with the different panels, and the colors just go so well together. The crop top is super cute. Definitely got me ready for training in colder weather. It's actually so lightweight and breathable. I didn't realize how much it was until I actually put it on. The sleeves are not too long. I've got my thumbs through the holes and they fit nicely. The top doesn't ride up, which is a bonus. And it's just really cute, absolutely comfortable to wear. These ones are also the Trinity Seamless Set, also in the 3-piece. And we got this in the color mint green. Here they are. Now the reason these are called Trinity is obviously because of the 3 Trinity panels, but also because it was designed around the holy activewear Trinity. So you've got stretch, sweat and support. The crop top also in a size extra small. These are made of a 4-way stretch seamless material and it allows for full freedom of movement from any low to high range activity. As for the leggings, the exact same as the previous one except for the color. And we got this also in a size extra small. And all of these are breathable, quick drying and moisture wicking to take you through these intense workouts. Panels are made of different types of materials, so it's meant to actually lengthen your body. And then we've got the long sleeve as well, compressive, lightweight, flexible. Can't wait to put these on. The mint green is so beautiful. Absolutely love the colors here. It's like different hints of pastel and it's just super refreshing to look at. The crop and the leggings fit exactly the same as the previous one. Super comfortable, so flattering. Love how the neckline is not too long, it's super supportive. High-waisted, my favorite. And the color combination is just so pretty. You could also definitely wear the motion seamless with this as well and mix and match. And of course the crop top also fits amazing. I kind of feel like a little Power Ranger, but everything is just so nicely color coordinated. It actually just looks so good together. Alrighty, so that's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for watching and joining me until the end. As always, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to use my discount code and discount link, which I will be leaving in the description down below, to save 10% off Doyoueven site-wide. Connect with me in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Follow me on Insta if you want to see daily content. Like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.